darlings, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're all well out there, and please subscribe to my channel. Today I'm picking up my van from my mechanic, and I thought I would do a video because I highly recommend my mechanic. I'm going to turn this around so you can see. And okay, as you can see, they're called Marketplace Services or mechanical repairs. They do servicing, petrol, diesel, LPG vehicles. I'll give you another look. They do truck and plant equipment, brakes and clutch repairs, breakdowns, emergency services, and RWCT testing. Now they're located at 155 High Street, Preston, and they're called Marketplace Services or mechanical repairs. Now the reason why I highly recommend Marketplace Services is because of their professional services. They're friendly, they look after all of their clients. Oh my God, that is why I'm here now, because I'm sick and tired of going around to different mechanics trying to find a decent one. And that's why I'm here now, and this is why I'm promoting their business now. Okay, so I'm going to give you a look around. I'll turn the camera around again. Can you see? Their phone number is 0408 559 683, and they're a Vic Roads licensed vehicle tester. The other reasons why I highly recommend Marketplace Services is because they always do a good job on their clients' cars. Since I've been here, I have not heard one complaint from any of the clients, and that's including myself. Now, I'm just going to give you a quick look around on the inside. And then, okay, so this is their workshop. As you can see, they're working on some vehicles now, and that's the office over there. And I mean, you want to have a good mechanic, because I think that, well, not I think, I know, is that the two most important people in your life that you have to trust your life with is your doctor and your mechanic. Because if your mechanic doesn't do a good job, that could cause you to have an accident, where that could cost you your life or someone else's life, and it will certainly cost you a lot of money to get the cars repaired. So therefore, here's our mechanic now. Come here. Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Okay, hang on. He's going to give us some tips on how can my viewers, keep their cars in good condition.
Good condition. Make sure you check your oil and water and your tyre pressures.
Yeah. And keep their tyres full.
Yeah, keep their tyres up to correct pressure.
Because I know that if you keep your tyres full, you'll use less petrol.
Correct.
Okay, yes. Cool. Thank you very much. Say bye-bye.
Good. Bye.
That's my mechanic, Mark, who I was just talking about. He's the owner of Marketplace Services. And so if you're looking for one of their best mechanics in town that you know you can trust with your life, who's not going to rip you off, who's friendly, professional, then this is the place to come. This is the mechanic for you. Him and his team are great. because if I did not recommend them, I would not be making this video for my viewers right now. And that's why I come here with my vehicle and when I trust them with my life. Okay, so I'm just going to give you how long this video has been going for. 5 minutes. It's not a long video, so I'm going to keep this video short. So let's go around and give you one more look. Mark Fleet Services, all mechanical repairs. 94840646. Okay, and I'm going to put those details in the description box for you in case you want to check them out later. So I'm going to end this video now, and if you're looking for a decent mechanic, remember he's at 155 High Street, Preston, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Okay, I'm going to get going. I'm going to pick up my van. Woohoo! Okay. Oh, don't worry about me. I'm just a little bit excited because I'm picking up my van. That's all. So thank you for joining me for today's video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.